Algebra, factoring and zeros. It's very similar to what we did a couple weeks ago. Let's work on these together, a couple of them. We're going to have two answers. We have 2x minus 1 equals 0, and then x minus 5 equals 0. All right, first question is, how do we get rid of the minus 1? We add 1 to both sides. So this would be 2x equals 1. Now we just want the x. We're going to have to divide 2 by both sides. So our first answer is x is a half. Answer number 1. All right, now we're on to our second equation. How do we get rid of the minus 5? We add 5 to both sides. So x equals 5 is the second answer. 2 answers. All right, let's try another one. Love that when it happens. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3 problems in parentheses. That means we're going to have 3 answers. We're going to have one where we have x minus 3 equals 0. The third one where it's x plus 1 equals 0. And the third one where it's x plus 1 equals 0. We have to add 3 to both sides. So this is going to be x equals 3. That's one answer. We have to subtract 1 from both sides. So we have 3x equals a negative 1. Uh-oh, we have a 3 in front of the x. So we have to divide both sides by 3. So x equals a negative 1/3. This 1 here, we have to subtract 1 from both sides. So x is a negative 1. So 1, 2, and 3 answers. I have to work on my erasing ability. All right, we're gonna have 1, 2, and 3 answers. So we have 2x plus 1 equals 0, x plus 1 equals 0, and x minus 1 equals 0. We have to subtract 1 from both sides. So we have 2x equals a negative 1. We have to divide everything by 2. So x is a negative 1/2. Answer number 1. We have a plus 1 there. Subtract 1 by both sides. So x is a negative 1. Second answer. We have a negative 1 here. That means we have to add 1 to both sides. So x is 1. So there's a 1, 2, and 3 answers. All right, last one we do together, and then you should be able to get started on the rest. Number 4. I know you're gonna freak out because there's a square there, but it's okay. We're gonna have 3 different answers. We have this one right here, where x equals 0. We have this one right here, 5x minus 2 equals 0. And then our third one is x squared plus 1 equals 0. Well, this one we already know x is 0. So there's our answer. For the second equation, we have to add 2 to both sides. So we have 5x equals 2 gotta get rid of the 5 in front of the x. Divide by 5. So x equals 2/5. Alright, this is where it gets a little bit more complex. We subtract 1 from both sides. We have x squared equals -1. The elementary's excited, I am too. The opposite of squared is a square root. So we have to get rid of the square sign. So x equals, we have a negative. There we go. So we have 3 answers. So that's number 4. Just do 5, 6, 7, 8. You don't have to worry about 9 and 10. Okay? That's good game.